This video guide is dedicated to help you with getting rid of the adware type application, which is called TwinValley. TwinValley is a special adware from the adload family, and this particular adware attacks Mac computers right now and targets Safari, Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox browsers. TwinValley adware by the way, may be traced easily if you go to your Finder and check your applications. But this adware, by the way, is often spread through integration with many free applications. In most of the cases, people download and install it absolutely unintentionally. So if you have found this TwinValley adware on your system, you should immediately undertake the measures and remove it. Access your Finder, Applications. Once you find this TwinValley on the list, right-click on it, and then you need to select this option, Move to the Trash. So move this adware to the trash. If you find any other suspicious applications you don't remember installing directly, remove them too. I would also recommend investigating the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get the fresh version of it on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, start the application. The program will be initially in the trial mode, but even the trial version has got certain free features such as disk cleaner, big files, duplicates. Click on Start Combo Scan button. The scanning will begin, but first of all the program should update its anti-malware database, and this is essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware or adware or any other potentially unwanted software. Combo Cleaner trial version has certain free features, disk cleaner, big files and duplicates. They will help you to essentially improve the performance of your computer. At the end of the scanning you will see the information about threats. You will be able to know about their locations on the system, and we recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your Mac always free of any other malware.